Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Rocksmith 2014 CDLC. So the first thing you're going to want to do is look up customsforge.com, go to tools, and download the bottom two options, Editor on Fire and Rocksmith Custom Song Toolkit. After that, you're going to want to either get a Ultimate Guitar subscription, you're going to want to get a Guitar Pro subscription, or you're going to want to download Tux Guitar for free. Tux Guitar is going to have the least options, but it's free, so if you don't have the money for the first two options, Tux Guitar is definitely for you. After you've got that done, first thing you're going to want to do is go to Amazon or some sort of streaming service and download an MP3 file. After you have an audio file downloaded, you're going to want to take that audio file and you're going to want to go to EOF or Editor on Fire, which I'm assuming you've already downloaded, and you're going to go to Editor on Fire. Once you've reached Editor on Fire, you're going to want to click New, select your MP3 file, and then look at the bitrate, which you can look at by right-clicking and going to Properties. So that's pretty straightforward. After that, you're going to need some tabs to go along with that audio you have. That's where Tux Guitar and Ultimate Guitar come along. Now, Guitar Pro 8 and Tux Guitar have a lot of really good tutorials already out there, so I'm just going to show you how to do it for ultimateguitar.com. So what you're going to want to do is go to a Pro tab, not an official or a default tab. You're not going to want a written tab, and you're not going to want a official tab, because neither of those you won't be able to use those. Once you find a Pro tab of the song you want to make a tab for, you click Download Guitar Pro tab. Basically, no matter which option you choose, you're going to end up downloading a GP4 or GP5 file. 3, 4, or 5 will work with EOF. Once you've done that, you'll go to EOF, File, Import, Guitar Pro, go to your tab, click Open, select what part you want, so guitar, bass, whatever. Click Yes to this, click OK to this, click Yes to this, select what part you want, import, and then you should be good. Once you've done that, you're going to want to drag these bar lines in order to make the song in time with the actual audio. So you're going to want to drag that until these beats that are on your screen are in line with the actual audio. So there's a feature called Claps On. You just click C and you'll see it turns on, and then you just click space to play the song, and it'll play a clap along with every hit right here on the notes on screen. So that'll help you try to drag these in order to get the song in time. Once you've done that, you're going to go to File, Save, and then that's going to export it. Once you've done that, you're going to want to go to the Rocksmith. You're going to want to go to the Rocksmith Toolkit. Sorry the video just cut off like that, but my footage somehow got corrupted. So for the rest of the tutorial, I'm going to be releasing a second part later, whenever I can. But for all you really need to know, you can I think you'll be able to figure it out by yourself from where I left off. But please know if you need any help with anything, Make sure to comment if you need help with anything, or message me on my Discord. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching, and have a great day.